Or repair new motor and speed run on and off road. Back to the graphics, let's do a quick recap of where Aura was at. Aura started here. We did the change, we made the tire prep, we got everything settled and got it just like we wanted. Dyed it purple, got a new thing. So now we're resourcing a new motor. We're resourcing a new motor for War Machine. War Machine got his first run, but we already got a new motor coming for War Machine later on in the season. So let's give Aura an upgrade. So we're taking out the Spectrum Firma motor. I think that's a 6900 kV, and we're adding that to Aura. New motor. Here I'm doing a quick swap. Not really looking at the gear ratio right now. Just want to make sure Aura gets some speed on her. The next run, then we can do the gearing next season. Get that all done. Don't remember what that was, but it was a bull. A Ghoul RC motor, and this is to a Spectrum motor. And I'm piecing and parting the parts out, making sure everything lines up and all fitted correctly. Researching the screws. I think I even changed the pinion. I'm not really sure. Who knows? But what I do know is this motor went in very smoothly. Had to take the tire off because I couldn't get the proper angle to line the motor up in the gear mesh. So, meant to know if I ever take this off again, the tire has to come off. Let's repair and test the electronics. Off camera, I prepared the steering, and now it's time for the testing of the electronics. Here I'm finishing up the wiring, making sure everything fits smoothly as possible. Oh, just seeing I did not finish the steering yet. Pretty sure I did that off camera, but that is going to be fixed. Plug all the electronics up the receiver. I got a capacitor in there. Have it left over, might as well use it. Don't know what it is doing, but it's doing something else. Whatever. Now, make sure everything's all bolted back up in place, put the cover back on. And now our electronics should be good to go. Let's check the speed on the on-road test. Ooh, very nice. Popping wood straight out the gate. Already an upgrade. Let's warm up those tires. The gel very smooth. I see the slipper clutch is slipping, so we're gonna have to tighten that some because every time I put the power down, you can hear it just over revving and not really going to the tires. So I kind of have to like trick it into revving up at a higher rate.
Alright, let's get that speed test right.
First speed run.
Alright, let's get that speed test right. Let's see what she did.
Let's see, let's see.
Let's see what she did.
43 miles per hour.
That's what I say, 43.
That's a hell of an upgrade. Second speed run.
Right.
Make sure she's good.
It's fresh. Right. Just in case. Let's try that again.
That was a good upgrade. see what she can do now. Every time I put it in, that slipper just lets go. So I decided to try to double up. And you can hear it's just overwinding and not even ready to go down. But we shall see in season 3 about fixing gearing. Parts have been ordered and we're ready to go for season 3.
So let's see what Aura got on that one.
Let's see.
38, slower.
38
Didn't
went
put it down all the
slower.
way.
The slipper just would not connect. Now, time for
For
a
moving shit.
Now, time for a little street bash. Off-road speed test.
Start. Alright, there's the camera set up.
Cheap little camera setup I got it from AliExpress. $10 special. It'll do the job. Look at that. Somebody in the park noticed that. Or was out here popping willies off-road. She's really nice. I like her.
Let's see what Aura got up to. Stop. Read. 34
Let's see.
on grass.
34 on grass.
34 on grass. Not bad. Turning in that direction.
Not bad at all.
Got a break.
Uh-oh.
Comes from the toe link. Broke on it. It's all done, but she did a great job.
Next time, The Mad Reaper, Part 1. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And hit the playlist for more.